Hi, let's quickly solve for the value of x. Um, First of all, I want us to bring this minus 4 to this side of the equation, okay? And if we do that, we will have x minus 10 divided by x minus 2, okay? Plus x minus 9 divided by x minus 3 plus x minus 8 divided by x minus 4 plus x minus 7 divided by x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. I would like you to watch to the end. I'm going to explain this in detail, so you are definitely going to understand it, okay? All right, let's continue. Now, note that 4 is the same thing as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? So I can distribute those ones for each of these terms. So I can write x minus 10 divided by x minus 2 plus 1, all right, plus x minus 9 divided by x minus 3 plus 1, plus x minus 8 divided by x minus 4 plus 1, okay, then plus x minus 7 divided by x minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. All right, now note 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is already 4, so we've not changed anything. Now let us solve this first one here, okay? But x minus 10 divided by x minus 2 plus 1 over 1, right? Now if we solve that, this is equal to, the LCM is what? X minus 2, right? Okay, now x minus 2 divide x minus 2, we have 1. 1 times x minus 10 will still give us x minus 10, plus if 1 divides x minus 2, we still have x minus 2 times 1 will give us x minus 2, okay? Now this is equal to, if we solve this, we have x plus x will give us 2x, and minus 10 minus 2 will give us minus 12 divided by x minus 2. Okay, now similarly, okay, if we should solve the second one, which is this, we have x minus 9 over x minus 3 plus 1. The LCM is x minus 3. When this divides this, we have 1. 1 times this will give us x minus 9 plus, this is 1 over 1, right? When 1 divides this, we have x minus 3 times 1 will still give us x minus 3. Now, if we solve this, we have x plus x will give us 2x, minus 9 minus 3 will give us minus 12, divided by x minus 3. Also, if we should solve the third one, which is this, x minus 8 divided by x minus 4 plus 1, okay? Now, the LCM is what? X minus 4. When this divides this, we have 1. 1 times this is x minus 8 plus, when this divides this, we have x minus 4 times 1, we still have x minus 4. So this is equal to x plus x will give us 2x, minus 8 minus 4 will give us minus 12 divided by x minus 4. Now I want us to check something. It's like we have a trend, right? Check. Notice that all of them, the numerator is 2x minus 12. 2x minus 12 over this denominator. So this one is 2x minus 12 over x minus 3. This one is 2x minus 12 over x minus 4. So you notice that if we solve this, we are going to have 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 5. Okay, so let's not waste our time solving it. So we are now going to substitute the whole of this into what we just got. Okay, so this one will be what? 2x, let me cover this. So this one will now be, for this particular one, it will be 2x minus 12, okay? Oh, you can't see that, sorry. So 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 2, right? Plus, now for the second one, which is this, is 2x minus 12, 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 3, plus, for the third one, which is this, is also the same thing. This one is still the same thing. That is 2x minus, I want you to be able to see what I'm showing you. Yeah, so this third one now will still be 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 4. Okay, so that is what I will write. So 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 4 plus, then the last one will be 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 5. So we have 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 5. Okay, and this is equal to 0. All right, now since they have the same thing as the denominator, we can actually factorize that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have 2x minus 12 brackets. Now when this is divided by this, 1 will remain on as the numerator, so it's going to be 1 over x minus 2 plus the same thing here, 1 over x minus 3 plus the same thing here, 1 over x minus 4 plus the same thing here, 1 over x minus 5. All right, and this is equal to 0. All right, now I want us to look at this. We have minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. But if I combine x minus 2 and x minus 5, I will get the same numerator when I combine x minus 3 and x minus 4. Since minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7 and minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So we're going to use that as an advantage. Okay, so we have but I'm not going to add this to this one, right? 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 5. Now the LCM is x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 5, right? Now when this is divided by this, when this is divided by this, we have x minus 5 remaining. X minus 5 times 1 will still give us x minus 5. Okay, plus, oh sorry, what am I doing? When this divides this, we have x minus 2. So x minus 2 times 1 will still give us x minus 2. Okay, all right, now this is equal to, so we have x minus 2 bracket x minus 5. Okay, now x plus x will give us 2x, and minus 5 minus 2 will give us minus 7. Okay, now let's do the same here. We are going to combine this and this to get the same thing as numerator. So 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 4. The LCM is x minus 3 bracket x minus 4. When this divides, we have this times 1 is x minus 4, right? Plus, when this divides, we have this times 1 is still x minus 3. So when you solve, x plus x will give us 2x, and minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 7, bracket x minus 3 bracket x minus 4. All right, now we have the same numerator. You can see that, right? So that simply means that we can substitute these two values here. Okay, so what we now have is what? 2x. So what we now have is what? 2x minus 12, open bracket. Oh, you can't see that, open bracket. So we are going to add this to this because it's everything we have here, right? So we are going to write both of them. So 2x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 bracket x minus 5. Okay, plus, then this one, 2x minus 7 divided by x minus 3 bracket x minus 4. You know, I promise you to make you understand this, and I think I'm doing justice to that, right? Okay, now let's continue. So we have the same numerator here. We can still factorize it out. So now we have 2x minus 12 multiplied by 2x minus 7, open bracket, 1 over x minus 2 bracket x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 3 bracket x minus 4. Okay, and this is equal to 0. Now I want us to look at this very well. At this point, we can now equate that 2x minus 12 is equal to 0, right? Yes, 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, right? Then the whole of this, 1 over x plus 2 bracket x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 3 bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0 as well. Now if we solve for this one, we can see that 2x is equal to 12, therefore x is equal to 6, right? Then for here, we can say that 2x is equal to 7, Therefore, x is equal to 7 over 2. All right. Now, for this, we are going to solve this. This is what is going to take us a bit of our time. So let's solve. Now, I'm going to transfer this to this side of the equation. So if I do that, I will have 1 over, bracket x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 5, okay, is equal to, remember that I'm transferring this to this side. I don't want to do it separately, wasting my time. So if I transfer, I get minus of this. So minus 1 over x minus 3 bracket x minus 4. Okay, all right. Now let us cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have this, we carry minus, right? So this side will be minus bracket x plus 2 bracket x minus 5 is equal to x minus 3 bracket x minus 4. Okay, now let's open the bracket. So if you open our bracket, you have minus into x times x is x squared, x times minus 5 is minus 5x, plus 2 times x is plus 2x, plus 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Okay, is equal to, then here is x times x is x squared, x times minus 4 is minus 4x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Okay, all right. Now permit me to draw my line. Okay. Oh, don't worry, I'll get a ruler soon. All right, so I'm going to write what we have here. That is the present situation, or the present level that we are, not situation. Okay, now this is where we are. That's minus bracket x squared minus 5x plus 2x and minus 10, okay, is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. So this is what we have now. Now we have minus bracket x squared minus 5x plus 2x will give us minus 3x, right? Then minus 10 is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 12. Now let's use this minus and multiply out. So we have minus x squared plus 3x plus 10 is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 12. Now we are going to bring this to this side. Okay, so if we do that, we have minus x squared plus 3x plus 10 minus x squared plus 7x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now if we solve, we have minus x squared will give us minus 2x squared, 3x plus 7x will give us plus 10x, 10 minus 12 will give us minus 2. Oh, excuse me. Now immediately I got to that point, and this is that there is a mistake somewhere because I've solved this before. Now this is the mistake. Please, let's correct it together. Now we have x minus 2 here, but unfortunately mistakenly I wrote x plus 2 here. So we are going to, anywhere we see this plus 2, I'm going to correct it as minus 2. So this is x minus 2. So coming to this side again, sorry, I've gone far. I don't need to remove this or start afresh. So this is minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2. So that means this is minus 2 as well. Okay, now let's go back to where we are. So this is supposed to be minus 2 and not plus 2. Let's correct it again. Now that means minus 5x minus 2x will give us minus 7x. Okay, minus 7x. So that means what we have here is plus 7x, right? Plus 7x. Okay, so we have plus 7x here as well. Now plus 7x will now give us plus 14x. All right. Okay, so this is minus 10 and this continues to be. All right, then also because we change this to minus, right? So minus times minus will give us plus. So our 10 should be positive 10. Like I said, I've gone far. I can't afford to start afresh again, please. So just bear with me. So anywhere we see 10 now, it's going to be positive 10, right? So this is positive 10. This is positive 10. So minus times minus, this will give us negative 10 instead. All right. So that means we have negative 10 here as well. negative. Okay, so when we now solve, we can see that minus 10 minus 12 will give us minus 22 instead here. All right, and this is equal to 0. Now let's divide through by minus 2 in order to remove this minus sign here. So if I divide everything by minus 2, I'm going to have x squared minus 7x plus 11 is equal to 0, right? I want to be sure it is correct. I don't want to make another mistake. All right. Now, we are going to make use of quadratic equation formula, which states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Okay. All right. So now we have that x is equal to, for here, our a is equal to 1. That is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is coefficient of x, which is minus 7, while our c is equal to 11. Okay, so we can now substitute into the equation, and we have that x is equal to minus bracket minus 7, right? Plus or minus the square root of, now b squared, that is minus 7 squared, minus 4ac, 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 11. Okay, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have that x is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 44 divided by 2. All right, therefore we also have that x is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So that simply means that another value of x is what, and this should be the third and the fourth value of x, is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you are coming across our page, our channel, and then on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. Bye.